If you are wondering how to change WhatsApp number without losing chats, this guide will walk you through the process on both Android and iPhone. Part 1. Can I change my WhatsApp number without losing chats? Yes, you can change your WhatsApp number without losing chats using the built-in change number feature. It transfers your account profile, groups, and settings to the new number. Make sure your old number is still registered. The new one can receive a verification code SMS call, and you've backed up important data. Part 2. How to change WhatsApp number on the same phone. WhatsApp's change number feature lets you switch to a new number on the same phone, transferring your profile, groups, and settings while keeping chats on the device. Steps are the same on Android and iPhone. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Step 2. Go to Settings. On Android, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. On iPhone, tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Tap Account Change Number. Step 4. Tap Next. Then enter your current WhatsApp number in the first field and your new phone number in the second field. Step 5. Tap Next to continue. Step 6. Choose whether to notify your contacts about your new number. You can notify all contacts I have chats with, or select specific contacts through Custom. Your group chats will be notified automatically after your number changes, even if you do not notify your contacts. Step 7. Tap Done and complete the verification process for your new phone number. After verification, your WhatsApp account will be linked to the new number, and you can continue using WhatsApp on the same phone without setting up your account again. Part 3. How to change WhatsApp number on a new phone. When changing both your phone and WhatsApp number, update the number on the old phone first, then transfer chats. Create a new backup afterward, as backups only restore with the original number. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your old phone and use the change number feature to switch your account to the new phone number. Step 2. Create a new WhatsApp backup using the updated number. On Android, you can back up your chats through Google Drive. On iPhone, you can back up your chats through iCloud. Step 3. Install WhatsApp on your new phone. Step 4. Register WhatsApp with your new phone number. Step 5. When prompted, restore your chat backup to transfer your conversations and media files. After the restoration process is complete, your WhatsApp account and chat history will be available on your new phone.